The Jefferson County History Center is located in historic downtown Brookville, Pennsylvania, and it highlights many yesteryear items, including the unique 19th century freight-type hauling runner sled, a bunk. Timber Adventures thanks you for coming along, and we look forward to showing you some more videos, so please like, subscribe, and comment. In very few places can you see and actually get a hands-on experience for a 19th century piece of history such as this sled, originally located and donated to a history center from a local business. The sled was in a dark, damp, and almost forgotten place, and it was wooden with pieces and parts spread about the area. The history center's job was to take this sled and parts and make it viewable while maintaining originality. Everything you see on this sled is as it was in the 1800s. The sled itself was made in Brookville, Pennsylvania, a real relic of the Jefferson County area. And as you'll see in later pictures, the furniture that it's hauling, also made in Jefferson County. You can follow our photos in the progression from the recovered sled to the pieces and then back to a complete again. And it involves some ingenuity and dismantling of hardware to allow us to clean those areas while wiping down the wood itself and buffing down the metal areas and fine-tuning some of the hardware. It was a process to clean the wood without removing what remnants of original paint existed. Restoring the seat to normal without leather padding was also done, and that padding was added later, and it was in pretty rough shape. We saw it go from a dusty gray to a nice pale yellow color with ornate stripes that are noted along the sides and along the entire length, including some areas that were not readily sighted by public. It highlights the attention to detail that was made by the original makers and finishers of the sled. Those original makers, most likely the Wagon Shop, as it was known, and it's the Brookville Manufacturing Company. The sled is also made so that you can swap out the runners for a steel wheels for summer use. What was it used for? Hauling. The name on the side of the seat said Wrights, and this is a name that is well known to the History Center because it was a local furniture store back in the day, which no doubt used this freight wagon to haul that furniture. It could have been used to haul the furniture, barrels of goods that arrived by train, or it could have hauled ice. Simply, it was used to haul, and it served a purpose for the community. If you would like to check out this former mode of utility and transportation, head on into the Jefferson County History Center and look on the ground floor and get a look, touch, and admire. You'll see a unique foot heater on the floor of this also for the driver and passenger to keep their toes cozy. They would put hot coals in this and hope it stayed toasty. So stop by today, check out the sled. It's on Main Street in Brookville, Pennsylvania to Jefferson County History Center. And thanks again for watching.